Planning a trip to Morocco? Here's a quick, simple packing guide. Start with documents. Passport valid for 6+ months, your Morocco e-visa, print and digital, travel insurance, flight and stay info, plus copies or backups. Clothing. Lightweight long sleeves and long trousers or skirts. A light jacket for evenings, rain jacket in winter. A scarf or shawl for sun and local areas. Footwear. Comfortable walking shoes. Sandals for warm days. Hiking boots only if trekking. Flip-flops for showers or casual use. Health and hygiene. Small health kit with basic medicine. Sunscreen, insect repellent, sanitizer, wet wipes, and travel-size toiletries. Electronics, universal travel adapter, power bank. Camera or phone with offline maps downloaded. Daily items. Day pack, reusable water bottle, sunglasses, hat, packing cubes. If you plan activities, scarf for dessert, quick dry clothes for hikes, swimwear, and quick dry towel for beaches. Money and security. Some dirhams, one card, money belt or neck wallet, small padlock. You're ready. Safe travels and enjoy Morocco.